Hi everyone, Sylvie here with Soul Dimension, and welcome to the Joy of Breathing video class replay of my free online class that I have every week. And now with this video, you're able to have the experience with myself, with the group of breathers, and it's about a 30-minute experience. And it's great for those of you who are not able to attend the live sessions. You can now have the experience with the video, as well as for those of you who are practicing and you want to continue the momentum during the week. You want to continue to master this technique, and for everyone to begin to manifest the amazing benefits that you can get from a regular practice of the joy of breathing, such as strengthening your immune system, balancing your hormonal system, balancing your emotions, tapping into deeper states of relaxation and meditation. And if you are new to this experience, I recommend reviewing the Joy of Breathing webpage, where you can get more information about the technique, as well as tips on how to enhance your experience during this video, as well as the live sessions. I hope you have a great experience with this video. And if you have any questions about your experience, feel free to reach out to me through the contact page. Again, that's Sylvie, souldimension.org. And I hope you have a great experience with this video, and I hope to see you sometime soon at a Joy of Breathing session.